Good morning. Happy Saturday. Sorry. Try to set my phone up and I have to use my phone holder on my computer, and then stuff is in the way, so when I try to do things I can't see what I'm doing, which is always fun. How's everybody doing this morning? Got my coffee, so things are good. All right. So this morning, being Saturday morning and breakfasty things and whatnot, I thought I would start with our new Biscuits and Gravy transfer. It's, I think I said in the past, Biscuits and Gravy is one of my husband's favorite breakfast foods. And so I had to have the transfer. All right, so we'll just get started. And this is one of our new Odette boards. It is a white chalk board. So again, it's reusable. You'll just, if I put this on there and decide I want to do it in a different color, or if I want to use the board for something else, you go ahead and you wash it off. You wash the board off with water, and then you can start over. See, and then I can't even spell. Apparently I haven't had enough coffee yet. There we go. So I'm just writing the name of the transfer on the back of the backing, just so I know which transfer belongs to. When you have the bigger transfers and it's just one, it's not that big of a deal, but it's really helpful to have the name written on the back when you're using multiple transfers, so you know which piece goes back on which backing. Now we're just going to peel this off. And these transfers are reusable, so I can make as many things with Biscuits and Gravy as I want to. I could make a shirt with the ink. I could make another sign. I could put it on kitchen towels, again using the ink and heat setting it so it's permanent. Today we're going to use it on the chalkboard. You could use it on canvas. Again, they're reusable. If you have people that you know you like Biscuits and Gravy, you could make them gifts. You could just use one of the words, biscuits, or you're making a menu. So right now I am just fuzzing the transfer. With fuzzing, it actually just adds fuzz to the back of the transfer so it's not so sticky, especially when they're new. They can be super sticky. This is our Chalk Couture fuzzing cloth. It's really nice, but if you don't have one, that's fine. For a long time before I got one, I used my jeans. You could use your jeans. Jeans work really good, surprisingly. A kitchen towel, a terry cloth towel, really anything that's going to add some kind of fuzz. You don't want to add too much fuzz. All right, now we're just going to line this up. Okay, smooth it out. And make sure you don't have any air bubbles. We're just going to keep it simple this morning and use